Okay, so introduction to binary numbers. Okay. Before we start, okay, just like last lesson, we have to understand first how our number system works, which means the denary number system. Denary means the way we count, the way we look at the numbers. Okay, so denary number system is also known as a base 10 number system. Does anyone know why it's called the base 10 number system? Yes, Ayman.
10 numbers like 0, 2, before the 10.
Okay, so it's to do with the place values. So it's to do with the place values. Okay, let me just get this one. It's to do with the place values. So for example, in our number system, the place value is a multiple of 10. So you start off with a unit, and 1 times 10 is 10. 10 times 10 is 100. Okay, 100 times 10 is 1000. Okay, so whenever we write a number, suppose we write the number 35. This is how we write number 35. Okay, in reality, the reason we call this 35 is because this 3 in the 10th column. This 5 is the units. In other words, what we say is 3 lots of 10 makes 30. Okay, 3 times 10 is 30. 5 lots of 1 is 5. Okay, 30 plus 5 is 35. This is why we say this number is 35. It's to do with the place values. Okay, multiples of 10. Does everyone understand that? Yes, you understand? Okay. And the numbers, the base 10 number system, okay, this number system, the symbols we have is 10 symbols. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We don't have any more symbols. Whenever we want to write a number with a single symbol, we have 0 to 9 symbols we can use to write the number. The moment we want to write a number more than 9, we can't do with one symbol. We need to have at least 2 symbols. And this is why we add extra columns. Is it understood? Yes. Okay, suppose you want to write 11. Do you have a symbol for 11? No. What do you need to do? You need to say, okay, how many lots of 10s do I need? 1 lots of 10. How much more do I need to make it 11? I need 1 more unit, so I put 1 there. Yes? If I want to write, for example, 15, okay, or 25, how many lots of 10 do we need? 2 lots of 10. Did I say 25? 25, yeah. So, okay, so you need 2 lots of 10 plus how much more do we need to make 25? 5. 5 lots of 1. So we put 5 on the unit. 25. Like that. This is how we do our number system. Understand? Okay. So what is it different? What is different in binary number system? In binary number system, the way the place value work is not multiples of 10. Does anyone know? Does anyone know? For base 10, the binary number system is multiples of what? Yes? 2, right. The multiples of 2. So, if it's multiples of 2, you start off with unit, okay, 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. And 16 times 2 is 32. You can obviously carry on like that. You can go as long as you want. No problem. You can just double it. Just multiply by 2. That's the place values you have. What are the symbols? What are the symbols do we have for binary numbers? Yes? 0 and 1. That's true. We only have two symbols. We have 0 and we have 1. We don't have any other symbols. So, whenever we want to write a number using a single digit, one symbol, we have a symbol. We have 1. No problem. We can just write literally 1. But the moment we want to write more than 1, we run out of symbols. So what do? We look towards other columns. What can we have? What can we use to make those numbers? So suppose if I want to write 3, okay, what do I have to do? Yes?
You need to put 1 in the 2 column and 1 in the 1 column.
Yeah, that's right. So we go this way, say, what is the closest number to 3? I can't use this column. Can we use the 4 column? No, you can't use this one because it's too big. We can use 2. So 1 here, and how much more do we need to make it 3? So this means 2 lots of 1s. Okay? So that's 2. Plus 1, 3. Is that understood? Yes? How about if we want to do 9? Who wants to do 9? What happens if we want to do 9? Okay? Put your hand up. Okay. Yes?
You have to put 1 in the 8 column.
Okay, so the first thing we do, we go through the place values and say, what's the biggest number I can use? Can I use 16? Because of course we want to make 9. Can I use 16? No, we can't use 16. Why? Because it's too big. We want 9. 16 we can't use, it's too big. Then go down a bit more. Can we use 8? Is this too big? Too big? No, because 8 is actually smaller than 9. So we can use 8. And now you start to count. How much more do I need to make it 9? Yes? 1. You need 1 more. So we find the column where there's 1. It's just units. It is 1. What happens to the column 4 and 2? Yes? You put 0 on both of them. So if you want to make 9 in binary numbers, is 1, 0, 0, 1. Is that understood? Yes. Right. Any question? Yes?
I was just writing an example of it. Say if you were to make 25.
25. Shall we try 25? Okay, let's do 25. Okay? Let's do 25. Let's do 25. Okay, 25. Right. What do you need to do first? Step 1. Okay, you do step 1.
1 in 16.
We have to go through it and say, what is the biggest number I can be closest to 25? Can I use 32? No, too big. So we have to go back down 1. Use 16. Now you count how much more do we need to make 25? 9. Okay? So we don't have a 9 column. Can I use this column? Yes. So I use 8 column as well. So 16 plus 8 is? 24. Okay? 24. We have 24. How much more do we need to make 25? 1. So this is 25. What happens to the columns of 4 and 2s? You put 0 there. So you put 0, 0. So 25 in binary numbers is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Is that understood? Yes. Okay.